today, and some parts came in, and I decided I could do at least some sort of progress with this car. I got these reinforcement plates for strut towers on my E90, since I have a sort of upgraded suspension, which is more or less shorter and stiffer, and I figured I needed something to help with the thing that's called mushrooming. The known issue with the strut towers or tops, whatever, is they mushroom. As far as I can tell, tops are more or less flat, but before it becomes something unacceptable, I figured I would install these reinforcement plates. Here's a part number, and I saw these first on 2006 325 Xi. Just a plate, extremely simple in design, engineered by BMW engineers, naturally. Yeah, so there's not much to it. It's about close to 3 millimeters thick, maybe 2.5. To install these, all you have to do is remove nuts that hold the top hats, lower the suspension enough, so you basically create enough space right here. So this plate will just go over the top, slide in, and then you just have to raise this whole thing up again, and that's pretty much it. Line up the studs. Well, in any case, that's the whole process, as simple as that. Put these things in place. And that should be it. Well, there's another small issue with this suspension upgrade that I have. I got the yellow adjustable cone struts, and they have a sort of a, like, that's what they have on the top, the adjustment, the adjuster, that adjustment tab. What the problem is, there is this dust cap that sits on the top of the strut hat, with that pin sticking up more than a regular unadjustable factory strut. Is that this thing is too shallow. There is a solution. Well, naturally you can drill a hole here and such, and ruin the integrity of the seal, but there is a solution, which is this thing, and it seems to work. In any case, this thing is a little bit taller, and this is also a BMW part. This belongs on E46, not M3. I'm not sure about M3. I may be wrong, but I don't think I am. Well, in any case, this is E46 dust cap. So this E46 dust cap is right here. This is the port number for it. The proper name of this plastic piece is strut housing dust cover, 32 millimeters. I'm going to install it, and it's not as much fun with this thing in the way. So in any case, I'm going to put things back together if I can today, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Always use jack stands, never work with the car supported by just the jack. Safety first, children.